Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, I want to share something truly eye-opening from my classroom. For the past month, I embarked on a fascinating experiment to explore a question many of us in education are asking: can AI truly replace human teachers? My focus wasn't on the grand philosophical debate, but on a very practical application. I spent 30 days using an AI lesson plan generator for a significant portion of my planning. As a teacher myself, I was genuinely curious about its capabilities and limitations. I wanted to see if this technology could genuinely streamline our work or if it was just another shiny, but ultimately superficial, tool. This wasn't just a casual test, it was a deep dive into the potential future of our profession. I approached this with an open mind, ready to embrace efficiency or expose shortcomings. My primary goal was to leverage AI for the tedious, time-consuming task of lesson plan creation. I fed the AI generator specific parameters for each lesson I needed. This included the subject matter, the grade level I was teaching, and the precise learning objectives I aimed to achieve. The AI's output was impressive in its breadth. It could generate full lesson plans, suggest engaging activities, and even develop assessments. On paper, it seemed like a dream come true for any busy educator. Initially, the appeal was undeniable. The ease of use was remarkable. I could get a basic plan in minutes. This promised significant time savings, freeing me from hours of planning each week. The reduction in effort was a huge draw, especially during particularly hectic periods. The AI demonstrated a surprising strength in content generation. It produced a wide variety of lesson plans, often suggesting different approaches. It even attempted to cover various learning styles, which was a pleasant surprise. The incorporation of diverse activities, from group work to individual tasks, was also a notable feature. It felt like having a tireless assistant, always ready to brainstorm. The sheer volume of ideas it could produce was staggering. For a moment, I truly wondered if this was the future of educational planning. Despite its initial allure, my 30-day experiment quickly revealed a fundamental issue. The AI consistently struggled with the intricate nuances of actual teaching. It became clear that teaching is far more than just delivering content. One major limitation was the AI's complete lack of contextual understanding. It simply couldn't tailor lessons to the specific needs of my students. Every class is unique, with its own dynamics and challenges. The AI failed to account for my students' prior knowledge, often suggesting activities that were either too basic or too advanced. It missed crucial details about individual student learning styles, treating everyone as a homogeneous group. Furthermore, it overlooked the diverse cultural backgrounds present in my classroom, which often inform how students learn and engage. Most critically, the AI was incapable of addressing individual student challenges. It couldn't identify a student struggling with a concept or offer personalized support. This generic approach highlighted a significant gap in its capabilities. Another glaring limitation was the AI's inability to adapt in real time. The plans it generated were static, rigid documents. They offered no flexibility once the lesson began. It couldn't respond to unexpected student questions that veered off the planned path. When students expressed confusion, the AI-generated plan offered no dynamic solutions. It simply couldn't adjust to the organic, often unpredictable, flow of classroom discussions. This stands in stark contrast to human teachers, who constantly adjust lessons on the fly. We pivot, re-explain, and explore tangents based on student engagement and understanding. The AI simply couldn't replicate this essential human skill. Then there was the issue of limited creativity and innovation. While the AI produced a variety of activities, they often felt generic. There was a distinct lack of personal touch in the lesson plans. They lacked the spark, the unique twist, or the innovative thinking that a human teacher brings. My own lessons, even when inspired by common ideas, always carry a piece of my personality and understanding of my students. The AI couldn't infuse that. The plans were functional, yes, but rarely inspiring. They provided a framework, but not the soul of a lesson. This absence of genuine innovation was a consistent observation throughout the experiment. Finally, the experiment brought up significant ethical considerations, even if indirectly. While my AI tool wasn't overtly biased, the potential for bias in AI algorithms is a real concern. If AI were to become more central, how would we ensure fairness and equity? More profoundly, I considered the impact on the essential teacher-student relationship. Teaching is deeply human, built on trust, empathy, and connection. An AI cannot replicate the nuanced emotional support and mentorship that defines this relationship. It cannot offer a comforting word, recognize a hidden talent, or understand a student's unspoken struggles. These are the intangible, yet invaluable, aspects of teaching that AI simply cannot touch. The human connection is paramount. After 30 days of intensive use, my overall finding is clear and unequivocal: AI cannot fully replace human teachers. While it offers undeniable efficiencies, it falls short in the most critical aspects of education. The human element remains irreplaceable. However, this doesn't mean AI is without value. On the contrary, AI can be an incredibly powerful tool for teachers. It excels at generating initial ideas, providing a starting point for planning. It can quickly create templates for various activities or assessments, saving precious time. AI is particularly useful for automating administrative tasks, freeing us to focus on what truly matters. It can handle the mundane, allowing us to elevate the meaningful. The enduring importance of the human element in teaching cannot be overstated. A teacher's empathy, their ability to understand and connect with students, is fundamental. Our adaptability, our capacity to pivot and respond in real time, is crucial for effective learning. Our critical thinking skills allow us to analyze complex situations and guide students through challenges. Most importantly, our ability to build genuine relationships with students fosters an environment of trust and growth. These human qualities are the bedrock of education. The essential role of educators extends far beyond content delivery. We are there to guide students, helping them navigate academic and personal growth. We provide unwavering support, celebrating successes and offering encouragement during difficulties. Ultimately, we inspire students, igniting their curiosity and passion for learning. We help them discover their potential and shape their futures. This profound impact is uniquely human. My final stance is firm: AI augments, rather than replaces, the crucial role of teachers. It is a powerful assistant, a valuable resource, but never a substitute for the heart, mind, and soul of a dedicated educator. Our profession is safe, and perhaps even stronger with AI as a partner.